You weren't born lazy. You were trained to avoid pain. From childhood, you were rewarded for comfort, for staying safe, for choosing the easy option. And now, every time you try to change, your own brain pulls you back. It whispers, not today, not yet. You're tired. You deserve a break. That voice, it's the single greatest enemy you'll ever face. Today, we're not just going to silence it. We're going to rewire it until your brain craves the very things it used to fear. Your brain is a survival machine. It's been programmed for thousands of years to protect you, not to improve you. To your brain, hard means danger. Cold showers, intense workouts, public speaking, waking up before dawn, all trigger the same response. Avoid it. Why? Because your brain runs on dopamine. It wants fast rewards, quick hits. The phone in your hand, the snack in the kitchen, the scroll, the like, the click. Comfort has hijacked your reward system. So the goal isn't just to do hard things, it's to link dopamine to them, to make your brain want what it once resisted. If you throw your brain into extreme pain overnight, it'll rebel. That's why people quit after 2 days. Instead, start small. A 30-second cold shower at the end of your bath, one extra rep at the gym when your muscles burn, speaking one uncomfortable truth in a conversation. Every time you do this, your brain learns, this was scary, but I survived, and I'm stronger for it. That's how craving is built, one micro win at a time. Here's the secret most people never hear. Your brain releases dopamine before the reward, not after. That means you can train it. Every time you face a hard task, celebrate before you start. Tell yourself, I'm built for this. This is fuel. This is how I grow. Smile before stepping into the cold shower. Breathe deep before lifting the heavy weight. By pairing positive emotion with discomfort, you flip the craving switch. Hesitation kills, but you don't have to commit to a full hour of pain. Tell yourself, just 5 minutes. 5 minutes of deep work. 5 minutes of running. 5 minutes of cleaning your space. Half the time, you'll keep going. And if you stop, you've still trained your brain to start without fear. You can force yourself to do hard things for a week, maybe a month. But to crave them, you need to make them part of who you are. Don't say, I'm trying to work out. Say, I am the kind of person who moves every day. Don't say, I'm learning discipline. Say, I thrive under pressure. When your identity shifts, craving becomes natural. Your brain stops fighting you because this is just who you are now. Comfort is the slowest killer in history. It makes you watch life instead of living it. But every small act of discomfort is a seed that grows into strength, confidence, freedom. Train your brain. Crave the hard things and watch yourself become unstoppable. Subscribe to become a better version of yourself.